Samosas are available in many varieties. Today I'm going to show one of the unique variety vegetarian samosa stuffed with masala potato mixture. This potato samosa is available in most of the tea centers in India. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Indian style potato samosa. First, we will prepare dough for samosa out layer. For that, take 300 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. To this, add half teaspoon of Ajwain seeds, another name Carom seeds. These seeds gives that unique flavor to the samosa and good for digestion. Add half teaspoon of cooking soda, salt to taste. Now mix well dry ingredients and add 50 grams of melted butter. You can replace butter with Dalda or Ghee. Usually in tea centers they use Dalda, but for health point I'm using butter. Now mix butter and flour. The mixture should have biscuit powder texture. Now add water little by little and mix the mixture to form a dough. Here is the secret. The dough should be very hard, then the samosa will stay crispy for a long time. If the dough is soft, then the out layer will get bubbles and samosas will be softer. So, make the dough as harder as possible. Best way to find the right consistency is when the dough is enough hard, the Ajwain seeds will start to fall off. You can observe in my bowl seeds are falling from the dough. Now cover the dough with damp cloth and rest it for 30 minutes. Till that, we will prepare our potato stuffing. For this quantity of dough, here I am taking 500 grams of potatoes. Drop the washed potatoes in a bowl. Add water to cover the potatoes. And now boil the potatoes until they get cooked 70%. Until that, we will cut vegetables. Take 3 green chilies and slice them finely. Now take 2 medium-sized onions and chop them finely as well. Here I'm using big size garlic clove, so I'm chopping. If you are using small ones, use 3 cloves. Now take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and make them into powder. You can use readily available spices, but they will not have good flavor. Now take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and make them into coarse powder. Now take quarter teaspoon of black pepper and make them into powder. To check the potatoes cooked 70% or not, press the fork into the potatoes. If it goes softly till half, then take out the potatoes. If you cook the potatoes 100%, then no need to worry. Cut the potatoes into small pieces and place them on a dry cloth and rest for 30 minutes. Cloth will absorb the extra moisture from the potatoes. Now remove the skin from boiled potatoes and mash it with fork. Look at the consistency, it should be dry like this. Now in a frying pan, heat up 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil and add chopped garlic and green chilies. When chilies turn to brown color, add chopped onion and fry till it gets light brown color. When onion gets light brown color, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, mix well and add powdered spices. In the last, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and add mashed potatoes. When spices mixed well with the potato, add salt to taste, mix well and take out the mixture and let it cool down. Until that, we will prepare our out layer. Take the dough, cut into small pieces. Make the pieces into small rounds. To avoid drying, cover with damp cloth. Now take the dough balls and roll it out to oval shape. Now cut this oval sheet into half. Keep covering with damp cloth. When you have finished doing all, take one sheet from the bottom, apply water on straight edge until half. Now fold and press as I'm showing. Now stuff with the potato mixture, apply water around the edge, press and seal as you are seeing in the video. If you don't seal perfectly, stuffing will come out while frying. I'm showing once again how to fold. With samosa, fried chilies will give extra spice and taste. Take 4 to 5 green chilies, make a slit in the center and keep them aside. Now pour enough oil in a pan. When oil heats up, reduce the flame to low. Drop the samosas into the oil. When samosas float on the top, increase the flame to medium and fry till they get golden brown color. Don't fry on a high flame. At last, fry the green chilies till they get lighter color. Now take out and add salt to taste. That's it, our tasty crispy aloo samosa is ready. This aloo samosa is best with a cup of tea and one of the favorite street food for Indians. Points to be remembered. Dough should be harder and boiled potatoes should not have any moisture. Then the samosas will be crispy for a long time.